Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change shipping address in Wish application. If you need to update your shipping address on Wish app, the first thing to do is to open the Wish application on your device and log into your account. Now, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner from the main homepage. From the menu option, tap on Your Orders. If you've previously made orders from the platform, you will be able to locate them on the screen. Locate the specific order you'd like to change and then click on Order Details. Now select Change Shipping Address and enter your shipping address information you'd like to update. And that way, you will be able to change your shipping address in Wish application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.